Good morning, class. As yesterday we have started with the back exercises of chapter 3, that is Anansi and 5. Okay, now today also we are going to continue with the back exercises on page number 41. First exercise which we are going to do today is adverbs. I hope you all know what are adverbs. Adverbs are the words that tells us something more about verb, as verb is the doing action. So adverbs add more things to the doing actions. That means they add quality, more quality. Adverbs are of many types: adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of frequency. So I hope now all of you have understood what are adverbs. So let us now do the exercise. First one is choose suitable adverbs from the works to add the sentence given below. Now you have, these are the some of the adverbs given here: bravely, loudly, painfully, swiftly, immediately, straight, smoothly, carefully, gracefully, sweetly, slowly, tomorrow, yesterday, beautifully, and angrily. These are some of the adverbs given here, and these are the sentences. You have to add them in these sentences. Now, first A1 is he wrote a letter to his sister. So, the answer for this is he wrote a letter to his sister yesterday. So, make an arrow like this and write over here yesterday. Now, let us move to the second one. He faced the tiger which was leaping at his throat. He faced the tiger bravely. So, put an arrow like this and write over here, he faced the tiger bravely. You can write the whole sentence over here if you want. C1. The man with the bad leg climbed the mountain track. So, in this, which we will going to add is, which adverb? The man with the bad leg climbed the mountain track. Make an arrow over here and write carefully. Carefully. Now, fourth one is the arrow flew through the air at the target. The arrow flew. After that, flew, make an arrow and write straight. STRAIGHT. Now, the arrow flew straight through the air at the target. Now, E1 is I am going to my father's house. I am going to my father's house. Would make an arrow like this and write tomorrow. Now, let us move to the F1. The man with the bundle shouted at his donkey angrily. G1. The girl danced but did not sing at all. The girl danced, after that put an arrow, beautifully, but did not sing at all. After that make an arrow and write sweetly. Now, as we have used two adverbs over here, now let us do the H1. H1 is the boy sped down the steep road on his cycle. Make an arrow after cycle and write smoothly. Now here we complete with this exercise, and let us now move to the second one. Second one is writing questions. These are some of the sentences over here. You have to make sentences using these sentences. Second is change the following into questions. These are the sentences, you have to change them in questions. First one is a salesman can travel far. The question for this is, can a salesman travel far? After that put a question mark over here. Now, B1 is sodium benzoate has a particular smell. So the question for this is, does sodium benzoate has particular smell? Put a question mark at the end. Now, C1 is the hotel room are not expensive. Question for this is, are the hotel's room expensive? Put a question mark at the end. D1 is the cash drawer is full of notes. The question for this is the cash drawer full of notes? Put the question mark at the turn the page now. And E1 is Nagpur is a place in Madhya Pradesh. So question for this is Nagpur a place in Madhya Pradesh? F1 we will write over here because there is no space above. So the question is, the salesmen goods are offered at a discount. The question for this is, are the salesmen goods offered at a discount? Put a question mark at the end. Now here we complete with the back exercises of third chapter in book. Now what you all are going to do, use pencil only to write in book. Don't use pen. Homework for you all is to go through these exercises carefully. If you have any doubts, please ask me. Thank you.